You are listening to Chapter 1, Lesson 3 of Form 4 Economics. Cameroon General Education. Narrated by Wacheseh Academy. Unincorporated business units. Sole proprietor, one-man business. A sole proprietor can be defined as a form of business enterprise owned, financed, and managed by one person with the primary aim of making a profit. It is an unincorporated business unit owned by one person who provides the capital and undertakes the risks and enjoys the profits of the business alone. Examples include electrician, retail trader, hairdresser, tailor, etc. Characteristics. It is characterized by the following. It is owned by one person. The main objective is to maximize profits. The capital required is provided by the sole proprietor alone. The sole proprietor has unlimited liability. That is, in the event of losses, the sole proprietor would lose not only the capital contributed in the business, but also his personal property. The sole proprietor is not a separate legal entity. That is, it cannot be sued and cannot sue. The business is controlled and managed by the sole proprietor himself. The lifespan depends on the owner. Advantages. The sole proprietor enjoys his profits alone. There is quick decision-making. It is easy to establish because of the amount of capital needed, and there is no legal procedure. It is easy to manage. Privacy can be maintained. There is closed and personal contact with customers. Disadvantages. The greatest disadvantage is that the sole proprietor has unlimited liability for the debts of the business. There is also the problem of inadequate capital. There is a lack of continuity. He bears all the risk alone. There is a high probability of wrong decision-making. He is exposed to health hazards. You can't perform all the tasks alone. Sources of finance. The sole proprietor's sources of finance include the following: personal savings, loans from friends and relatives, overdraft from commercial banks, grants and loans from the government, trade credit.